Hello everyone, welcome back to Ecom DevX. If you are running a Shopify store, one of the biggest frustrations is seeing someone steal your product images with just a simple right click. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable right click on your Shopify store using only liquid code. No apps, no monthly fees, and no complicated setup. This happens more often than you might think. Many competitors don't create their own content. They simply visit another Shopify store, right-click on the product image, save it, and upload it to their own store. In just a few seconds, your hard work becomes their content. So, why should you care? Because your product images are part of your brand. They build trust. They make your store look professional, and if anyone can copy them, your brand starts losing its uniqueness. Imagine paying for a professional photo shoot, only to see those same images appear on dozens of other websites. Not exactly what you want. So, can we stop this? The answer is yes, at least we can make it much harder. And today, I'm going to show you how to disable right click on your Shopify store using only a few lines of code. No paid apps, no monthly subscriptions, no complicated setup. Just a simple change inside your Shopify theme. Let's do it. Open your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then Themes. Click the three dots and choose Edit Code. Open theme.liquid. Scroll to the bottom, just before the closing body tag, and paste this script. Save the file, refresh your store, and now try right-clicking on any product image. The browser's context menu no longer appears. That's it. If you also want to stop visitors from dragging images onto their desktop, add this code. Now images can't be dragged either. A small change, but a useful one. So what are the benefits? First, it's completely free. No Shopify app required. Second, it takes less than 2 minutes to add. Third, it discourages casual image theft. Most people looking for a quick copy will simply move on. And finally, your store feels a little more professional and protected. Now, I do want to be completely honest with you. This is not a 100% security solution. Anyone who really wants your images can still take a screenshot, use browser developer tools, or access image files through other methods. The internet doesn't allow us to completely hide images from users because browsers need to download them in order to display them. Think of this as the first layer of protection, not the final one. In the next videos, we are going to build a much stronger image protection system for your Shopify store. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.